Okay, so guys, today I'll be reviewing the TECNO Spark 3 devices. TECNO just announced that they will be releasing 3 Spark 3 variants into the market. You have the Spark 3, you have the Spark 3, another Spark 3, and then you have the Spark 3 Pro. So, and then the first variant they will be releasing will have a 16GB ROM with 2GB RAM. We have the 13 megapixels dual rear camera with ring flash. It will have 8 megapixels at the front, and then it will also have flash and dual screen flash with 3500 mAh battery capacity, and you'll be having the Android 9 Pie. Android P will be coming out of the box with 2 GHz quad core CPU speed. Definitely it's going to be sporting the 6.2 inches super full view screen. It's supposed to come with an HD screen as well. So and thus there will also be another variant which has the 16GB and 1GB RAM, 16GB RAM and 1GB RAM rather, which means that this would be coming with the Android 8.1 Go Oreo edition, which is the Go apps. Definitely this is for those who have low-end devices. You want to use low-end devices, this is something you need to spot and use. Definitely it's going to be coming with 1.3 GHz quad core processor speed, 6.2 HD screen as well, but it's going to be 6.2, that's 6.2 inches super full view screen as well. Like I said, 13 megapixels rear camera with ring flash and 8 megapixels front camera with flash and thus with screen flash. It's going to come with 3500 mAh battery capacity as well. It's supposed to have the face unlock, the portrait mode, luminous crystal design, different colors, champagne gold, you have black, you have red as well, and then there'll be a blue color in the mix of all these things. So this is like two major variants that will be coming out, and then the final variant that will be coming out as well is the Spark 3 Pro. Definitely they're not going to release this into the market anytime soon. We're waiting for when TECNO is going to release this into the market, but then it's going to come. The full difference here in the Spark 3 Pro is that it's coming with 16GB, 32GB RAM and 3GB RAM. So it means that there's 32GB RAM and then 3GB RAM. It's coming with the Android 9 Pie, definitely 2.0 GHz quad core processor speed, 6.2 inches HD full view screen as well. And then you also have the 30 megapixels dual rear camera with ring flash and 8 megapixels front camera with screen flash. It's going to have the face unlock. It's going to have the portrait mode like every other phone that TECNO has been releasing of late. And then the AI beauty is something that TECNO is leveraging on in these devices. You have the bokeh effect on in the camera as well. TECNO announced that definitely if you can use this phone to hide your early morning ugliness, quote unquote. I didn't say that, that's what TECNO said. So your early morning face, you can use the AI mode which has like about 420 face points that recognizes your face and helps you make your skin better in pictures. That's the AI beauty which TECNO is planning to release in all of these phones. The AI beauty will be a feature in all of the camera in the Spark 3 series. The bokeh effect in the front and back camera is also something that these devices will be sporting across board. So whichever device you're picking up off the shelf, it will be having any of this. So another thing you need to know about this device is that now I sampled this. The camera is supposed to be very clear, very illuminating. So even if you're a black person, definitely it's supposed to brighten your skin color and make you look brighter. Like it's about the unleashing your brightness. Now look at the camera. Look at the camera positioning in this place. You have two cameras for portrait mode displayed located just up and down each other, and then the ring flash just beneath it. Look at the side. The side has 3 buttons. There are 3 buttons on the right side with volume up, volume down button, and then the power button. Also on the left side you have this SIM tray. The SIM tray is on the left side, and then on the beneath you have the air jack. The earphone jack is beneath the place, and then look at let's have a feel of the phone. There's the air camera, there's the beauty mode, there's the bokeh mode, and the camera. These are different options for you to use, and then the video is by the left, as you can see. So these are just different options for you to see. Now let's dive into the phone proper. Go into the settings. What's obtainable for us here? Let's look at the system. Now I'm presently with the Spark 3, the normal Spark 3, the one with the 16 GB ROM and this 2 GB RAM. So definitely this is what you should have for that particular camera. You can see it's coming up with the Android P. That's the Android Pie edition as well. The HiOS 4.60 is what this will be sporting on in another stance. So like you can see here, it's called TECNO Spark 3 Pro. So guys, let me give you guys my first impressions about this device. One, this device is relatively cheap. Like the prices from what I've heard are not even up to 40,000 naira for the 2 ones that are coming into the market present. When released, the Spark 3 and the Spark 3, the Spark 3 light version, and then the normal Spark 3, the prices are very relative, about 35 to 40, between 35 to 40,000 naira, between 32 to 40,000 naira. This very ridiculously cheap prices. I think it's a very moderate phone for anyone who has been using the Spark series. And one thing that's very challenging for me in this regard is Spark is that device where a lot of people complain about the speed and about the optimization, the RAM optimization of the device. Definitely, I think this has been looked into, and there's a Android Go edition which is supposed to help you optimize your RAM and optimize your usage on your phone. So I think that if I'm gonna use the Android Go edition, the one with Android Go, Android 8.1 Go edition, and then the one with Android Pie, and see how well optimized the HiOS is on either of these two devices. But then, as the case is, if take away lagging of the device, take away speed of the device, take away shutter speed when taking pictures, take away memory usage, memory retention in these devices, I think that this Spark is actually a very good budget phone that you could use to take good pictures, light pictures, especially even at night. Something that we all know that it's a requirement in this part of our world. So guys, what do you think? What do you think about this device? What's your favorite feature in this device? What don't you like about the device? Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the other side. By the way, I'm back. So let me know if I find a very interesting comment, I may just gift out a Spark device on this channel. I miss you guys, by the way. Good to be back once again. Peace out.